Okay, so we're gonna go over this machine that I have. I have a Brother SQ9285. And if you look at the top, there's always a diagram at the top that'll show you how to do different things. So this one right here, for example, is the bobbin. It'll show you put it through, you gotta put it through here, run it to the back, loop it around this little thing here, bring the thread, and then of course your bobbin is going to sit here, and once you start it, you're going to pop it to the side, right? So that's just the bobbin. But to actually thread the machine, this is where my thread starts, and I run it here, and there's generally a guide, so I can go run it down this line, and you can see these numbers 2 and then 3 is going to tell you to go this way. And when I get to 4, which is back here, more than likely I'm going to have to pull this up on most of the machines to be able to put the thread through there. So you'll do that and loop your thread through that metal piece inside there. And once you loop it through there, you're going to bring it down. And as you can see, that's 5 over here. And that 5, I'm going to put it behind this little silver piece here. And once I finish doing that, I'm going to put it through the hole. And then I'm going to pull it back.